Welcome to this day's edition of The Buzz. I'm your host, Langston Gaither. Let's pause for a minute to take a look at what's happening here at St. Stephen. This year, we have the awesome privilege of serving Thanksgiving dinners to those who may not have what they need to prepare a meal. And come on out November 27th to help us serve the community. And finally, Pastor Cosby begins his Christmas series, The Grinches That Steal Christmas. This sermon, November 30th, is entitled The Grinch of Depression. Join us at all services, and if you know anyone who is battling with depression, invite them to church. I'm Langston Gaither with this week's edition of The Buzz. Let's get back to worship.